This is my 2022 Ford F-150. Got this toolbox. It's gonna sit on the inside instead of over the top. Got my brackets, my ruler, my tape, my drill bits, and my drill. Yes, I'm being safety. Check this bad baby out right here. I've used it a couple times already. Good step on. Got me a nice little handle to get up in here. And we are going to mount this thing right about here. Gonna measure 2 inches out. Put the brackets right here and right here, 2.5 inches out, so that when we open this up, it doesn't hit the windshield. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna put some tape right here at the 2-inch mark. Come over here, do the same thing. Put a piece of tape at the 2-inch mark. All right, this is the right bracket that came with the toolbox. We measured it two inches off the back. So for it to line up from the measured holes that's already in the toolbox, we're just measuring this out to 4 inches. Then I'm going to mark these holes and start drilling. All right, so I got it taped up nice and even. This is plastic and goes right into the side of the bed. So I'm just gonna put a little marker with the tip of the drill, and I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna start drilling the holes. Got to dig through here and get the original screw set that the guy gave me when he gave me the toolbox and the brackets. Got all of them right here. Looking at these screws, they're a little rusted and kind of tore up, so I'm just going to tape this down real good, make a quick run to Lowe's, get me a second set of screws, and then I'm going to come back and replace these and do the opposite side as well. So I'm just gonna tape this up real good so it is not vibrating while I'm riding. I got this screw in here a little bit okay, so it'll hold for an hour or so, just going up the street about 3 miles and back. Got to stop and get some gas. Take and put some muscle to them. They're gonna be good to go. Got the mounts on both sides. Clean all this stuff off. Set this on top of it and see how much off the screws are from my bed versus the truck that this came out of. Got a good fit. Now just measure it from the back. Make sure both sides is level from left to right all the way across. A little bit of space for some dirty boots. And it's good to go. Got a little overhang here. Overhang on the other side. That's the last screw. Look at it. Yeah, like that. All right, it's sitting here nice and level. It vibrated a little bit, kind of off-centered a little bit. About a ½ inch over here, ½ inch over there. Could have shifted it maybe another ½ an inch, eighth of an inch or so. But for the most part, it's sitting nice and level. It looks real nice. Hope everybody like it. Take care. Thank you.